Una welcome my people. Hope say everybody dey fine. Today gist na about one man. This man don come outside dey cry in pain o. Say him wife abi na him girlfriend I go call am. Don make am train another person pikin for the past 7 years. Hey! And dem don dey talk am say people wey dey talk say ladies make na dey fear. Dey get reason o. I sure say dey sit down see the future of women. Na wetin make dem come outside come talk am say women the kind things wey dey do e no good. But this guy now dey claim say he just get to find out say the pikin wey don dey train no be him even born this pikin. And say no be today he don do DNA test. Say when this woman carry this pikin come give am say honey o I get belle carry this pikin. He go do test for inside worry. And these doctors abi this hospital confirm say yes na him get the pikin. Only for this pikin to dey grow as him fine yellow the pikin come dey resemble chimpanzee. Pikin color come dey change na there him come reason and say no something dey wrong with this pikin. No be me go fit generate this kind pikin o. Na there oka come decide say make I go do another DNA test. Lo and behold you don see am say no be him even get this pikin. My people abeg make na follow me watch.
You say you don't reach my place. Bros, you don't reach my house. Hello, bros.
No.
In the last 3 months, you know if you are taking blood.
I beg everybody. The way this pikin take on normally, I don dey talk right from day one say this child, the possibility of this child of being mine is extremely low. Because when she was pregnant, I was not aware. She get belle 2 years later, maybe 3 years later, and she just come say it's your child. Now me who use play answer on Facebook say, I hear say you don't born. He say it's your child. I say which dirty child? He say one pastor tell her say the papa will come and suffer. Oh, I agree. When we were in school, we were together for some time, but sorry to say, we many. When we did school, everybody, she was not dating only me. I be just side nigga. She get boyfriend. Man, no, may not be like I won't spoil anybody personality. She had a boyfriend. We just they go. And when they get belle, I'm not there away. I don't know. 2 years later, he just consider my pikin. Can I go give my pa? My pa accept say resemble waiting. They tell me say I go do one thing west. Go to Western Hospital. They work with area command. They will arrest you first. I'll carry this part. I go police station. They will arrest you first. For you to put this pikin for my head of 7 years, you want to finish. They will arrest you.
Women, hey, the kind things what we dey do, it dey even shock me where I even be woman. A whole 7 years. And this woman go there, she go know as she dey see the pikin. When the pikin no resemble the man, she know say no be in pikin no. As she dey see her, she no go talk, she go just dey there quiet. And in fact, this kind thing it dey very bad. But the guy sef dey claim say when this girl even carry this pregnancy come, he suspect am because the girl just dey carry am come say one pastor tell am say somebody go come claim the abeg na so pregnancy dey disappear. How be say another person go chop you go come dey carry am say he wan go give am to another man. But anyway make I say because of shame and because of say this boy papa sef claim say the pikin resemble am na wetin make this guy now come accept this pikin. But as pikin come begin grow na there the man come dey suspect say this cannot be my child. How would I be fair? My wife is fair. Pikin come black. Now there him come decide say make him go. Now here me are the reason say that first test wey this guy do, are they very certain say this woman don't go connive with that hospital, or maybe this woman said they chop the doctor on a low, so they come plan and say make they change this result because now know the kind things wey woman fit do. She don't go negotiate with this person they give her money, but as e be this bros don't vex. And he talk say this one wey be say you make and train this pikin for this whole year, say him go carry you go police station. Say him go make sure say you suffer for am, you pay for am. Because how be saying go the risks in life. They train pikin wey be say he know say no be your pikin. And as he feel am from the first time, you still deceive am again, join. Tell am say this pikin na him own. But anyway, bros, me I get more advice for you. I go advise say make you just settle this matter calmly. Because you wey be say you don't train pikin from when this pikin dey small. It means say somehow you don't get small love for the pikin. So even if at all you no go train the pikin again, I beg you no need to carry this woman go police. We know say wetin she do dey wrong, but at least just look this pikin own, because if you carry her go police where they arrest her, I beg who won't take care of this pikin. So I beg just look her matter, leave am. But this our agenda, me I don't make they go find meter. Any woman now before you marry her, put meter for her heart, read them. Because the kind things when people they think inside their mind, especially women, they feel even kill you before your time. Woman go they plan for your death, you know go know. Because for this woman to sit down brekete, No, say she dey do this kind thing to her husband and she no move. Hey, it means say this kind of woman, she fit kill anybody. But one more thing I go advise, do this DNA test again. Since the first one come out positive, second one come out negative, if it means say maybe one kind mistake dey inside o, make you no go be say you go dey throw your pikin before you go know, you go come see say na you truly get this pikin. Anyway, my people, now here I go end am for today. If you get anything talk about am, make una write am inside the comment section. Make una stay tuned for the next video. Hello my people, una welcome to our channel. Today's gist na about one young girl wey go send assassin hire killers to go kill her boyfriend. Relationship wey never enter marriage, person don gather assassin say he wan make dem go kill this boy. But we gather say this attack wey happen on Mr. Gabriel, wetin cause everything na because of say wetin these two people break up o, only break up o na im cause am. And we hear say first these two people as they dey in their relationship, they live together. So now as Taylor come jam them inside the relationship now, the guy come say, oh yeah madam, pack your load and come out from my house. E be like say na this matter na I'm paying this girl so tey na I come make this girl come decide say no, she must show this guy pepper. Now there she come hire assassin say make they go kill this guy. And before this one sef, we hear say this guy na comedian and him dey always do skit. So after the whole relationship come break, fine, we know say relationship don't break, but the girl talks okay, she wants to follow this guy, they act, and the guy accept. Auntie, come act your part of your script. Auntie go dey look see her because she dey in relationship with person, she go decide to come late. Now there this boy come pepper this girl one day, carry her cast, carry and go give another person. Now this one I go enter this girl body where she reason and say no, this boy don't overdo me something. In fact, I supposed attack this person. Now there she can't go carry. They say this hired assassins, there be men in uniform. I beg I won't come ask men in uniform who they be now army or be na police. Because this one they're supposed to be very, very specific. Because we dey hear say unknown government and now we want to know who be the unknown government. But looking for this guy, as these people go the house, this guy no sleep for house that day. Now there they go attack this guy friends, beat them. In fact, if na see they destroy these people face, carry their money and property run go. But based on say they come start to do investigation, now there they come notice say now Madam Victory, I mean wetin I go call her, Kelechi 20 years old girl. Now they cause this wahala where they happen. Young must grow. You just a small you dey chop this small thing because of that one now. You won't die on top of them. They tell you say relationship now by force. And we hear after this operation, this girl even collect change. She collect balance of 20,000. Hey, women. And I see the kind things when they do. In fact, if they talk say fear women, they get why they talk am. For a 20 years old girl, you dey date person. That's the way beside everybody they do, they give them breakfast, they go. You reach your turn, you won't keep person on top of them. When be say you no get sense, you won't die and go to jail because of man. Man when be say if say na even talk this thing normal, I sure say by now say on go don't settle. Now see where your matter don't reach. You don't go reach inside police station. But I beg me, I go advise. May this police find them, this assassins them. May they not just arrest only this girl because for a 20 years, in fact, it surprised me. Say a 20 years old girl, no hire killers. Anyway, some mama they said they never even know where be hire, talk less of killers. This girl don't already know them from small. It means if this one marry, if your husband go cheat, in fact, that man don't die. She herself, by herself, she go buy gun, use and kill you. Because this one are just pure example. But this one shows say people they wicked. And because of ordinary breakup, relationship breakup, you go come decide say you want, it don't make sense now. Relationship, they no tie on yash, they say by force, but you must marry this guy. If the guy talk say, and if say now you now leave this guy, I sure say this guy no go do anything to you, but because now they give you breakfast, you now can't decide say you won't go keep us. But anyway, people where they outside here, you see all these 17 to 25 years get, make now they run from them because their mindset, is they very evil. The kind things where then this guy fit do, they fit do anything because of money. As long as say they follow Yahoo boys, I mean a sugar daddy, the kind things where they do. And if you go break their heart, they don't get that tolerance. So before you go see, they don't kill you. So now don't they talk day or day. If you know say these girls, they among, and you know say the girl wicked, and she know if you take her, I beg just find your square root, leave her. Do reverend sister, being a reverend father, follow your destiny. My people, I hear this matter as make her bring and come. Making a service now here. Here with they happen. If you get anything talk about them, making a write them inside the comment section. Making a stay tuned for the next video.